Hello and welcome to Connections Online. 100% of this course will be conducted online. This brief video tour will guide you through our Brightspace site for Connections Online so that you understand where to find things and how to complete assignments. Let's start with the home page. Anytime your instructor posts announcements to the course, you will see those announcements right here on the home page. You, your teacher, and your classmates can create posts here in the activity feed. You can add comments or questions to the activity feed anytime. Under the activity feed is the content browser. The first folder in the content browser is called Start Here, Welcome to Class. There are plenty of folders in the content browser. Let's start with the Start Here folder. This folder includes a welcome letter to students, a folder on the textbook with MindTap information, details on completing assignments, netiquette expectations, how to access your ACM college email address, a note about required readings, information about copyright, and information about plagiarism. You should go to the welcome letter and read that first. If possible, you should print that off because it includes information about how to contact your instructor and other important details. The textbook, which is available in the ACM bookstore, will include an access code that you will need to register for MindTap. MindTap is the online software that we use in the course. Inside this folder, you will find login instructions and a video that shows you how to register for MindTap. Let's see what else is in the content browser. You can click the home icon to get back to the beginning of the content browser. Under the Start Here folder is a folder called Syllabus and Course Calendar. Under that, Instructor Information, Weekly Folder for Connections, the Capstone Project, College Policies and Resources, Technical Support, and resources that are used in this course. Let's click on the Syllabus and Course Calendar. You will definitely want to print out and keep the course calendar because this is where all of your assignments are listed. The activity calendar is color-coded. Everything in blue is a journal that's located in MindTap. Everything in red is a practice test, also in MindTap. Everything in green is a study skills activity, also in MindTap. Everything in yellow is either a mind-body skill or a class participation grade. Everything in gray is part of the Capstone Project, and that comes a little later in the semester. Each one of these categories is worth 20% of your final grade. Now let's go back to the course home to find the content browser again. Let's take a look at those weekly folders. This is where you will find all the assignments for the course. Let's look at how each weekly folder is set up. We'll start with week 3. In week 3, you will see a list of items for that unit. First, each week lists the objectives. In other words, what you will be able to do at the end of that week. For week 3, you will be able to identify key aspects of accepting personal responsibility. You'll learn about becoming a creator instead of a victim. You'll learn how to use creator language instead of victim language. You'll apply the wise choice process to improve a difficult situation in your life. And you will experience the mind-body skill of meditation. As you scroll down through the week 3 folder, you will see a link that takes you to a video called Broken Escalator. The transcript for the video is under that link. Next, there is a link to Chapter 2 in the on-course ebook. This link takes you right into the ebook. After that is an assignment called the late paper. You will have to read the late paper in Chapter 2 of the book before you can do this assignment. Then you will see links for Journals 5 and 6. Those links will take you directly into MindTap. Next is the mind-body skill called Soft Belly Breathing Meditation. This assignment has an audio recording and a handout. Here's the audio recording, and here's the handout. Make sure that you listen to the audio recording before you answer these questions. And finally, after the mind-body skill, there is a practice test on Chapter 2 in MindTap. As you can see, week 3 is very full. At different times in the course, you will use the discussion boards, and those are located in the Discussions tab at the top of the Brightspace homepage. Your first discussion board assignment is due in week 1. You will be introducing yourself to the class. Under Course Tools, you will find a tab called Grades, which allows you to see the grades you have earned throughout the course. If you have any questions about your grade at any time, please do not hesitate to reach out to your teacher and ask. Speaking of your instructor, don't forget to check out the brief bio of your instructor in this folder under the content browser called Instructor Information. We'll get into the capstone project a little later in the semester, as I said. And remember, if you ever need information about college policies and resources, ACM technical support, or MindTap technical support, or any of the resources that were used for this course, you can find that information in the last 3 folders of the content browser. So now you know your way around Brightspace, and it will take you a little bit of time and practice to get used to this, but already you're off to a great start in your semester of connections. If you ever have any questions about navigating Brightspace, just email your instructor to get a quick answer. Have a great semester.